Hi friends, I'm here with a look at this Bosch PS60, which is their little reciprocating saw, 12 volt power. This thing is a nice light duty, it's brushed, works pretty well. I'm still looking for a great just wood cutting blade, but they come with this one comes with two cute little blades. I've never seen reciprocating blades this small, but they work fairly well. Just cut through a little old wheelbarrow handle that was just really well seasoned, you could say that, but super dense, and that's the wear it took, but it got through it. So these 4-inch blades, I don't know how you measure these, 3.5-inch blades. I was using it with the wrecker blade and it could handle it just fine. I was trimming up a bunch of stuff and it looks a little ridiculous, but it does the trick. But yeah, I wouldn't say you'd want to do this for a long time. I'd say this is for kind of smaller cuts as needed, if that makes sense. Comes with this kit. Came with, here it is, a nice bag here, which I'm not going to use, but still nice if you need it, with the manuals and whatnot. The 2 blades and a charger and the 12 volt battery. So pretty solid offering. Again, I have several of these 12 volt tools, and so I wanted to kind of give this guy a try. Battery indicator, and it's lit. It's got a light right there. Lights directly underneath in the cutting path, which is handy. It's interesting. It's like, you know, because it shines through here. Yeah, straight line, but lights up exactly where you're cutting, which is plenty helpful. This chuck works just fine. Easy in and out. You know, some of these can be fiddly. This is not like that. This is very easy and positive attachment. It's got some nice bumpers around here in case you drop it, but handles just like every other 12 volt tool from Bosch, if not identical, just a little different patterning on it, but very similar in grip. It's a little longer. Actually, no, it's not. That was just my eyes deceiving me, but it's almost identical to like the Flexi Click. So yeah, if you're already in this ecosystem and have some of these batteries lying around and you find a good deal on this, I would definitely recommend it. It's got a lock here, won't let it go on. So yeah, when you're throwing your tool bag, whatever. So nice little saw, good little utility deal. Probably would be great for drywall, for some light work, whatnot. I don't know how far I would try to push it. I think you'd want to go 18 volt, whatever it was, for some heftier work. So there you go.